Okay, so right now I'm in a classroom that I have not ever used a rubric from one of my other classrooms in. So I have a science rubric that I used for a final science project that is in one of my science classrooms. And I am now in a totally different classroom that's never seen that rubric. And I wanted to show you that how you can get to those rubrics that you've created for your classes from any Google Classroom that you have. So this is this other assignment. I put fake assignment just because something has to be here for the rubric button to work. If I click on rubric, there are three options. Sorry, my face is in the way. I don't know if I can move that. Oh, yeah. Okay. So there's create rubric, reuse rubric, or import from sheets. I want to reuse a rubric that I have. And then originally, because right now I'm in this like fake science flex classroom, there's no rubrics for this course because I originally made the rubric in one of my science courses. So I went to Science 5 and I can see that there's two rubrics that I've used. So I can reuse the rubric that I created for one of my science classrooms in any Google Classroom that I have. Now, and I would just click on it and then it would be applied to this assignment. Now, the other question people had was whether or not if I archive my science classroom, does the rubric go away? And so we're going to find that out really quick. So if I go to Google Classroom, I'm going to just go ahead and archive all of my science classrooms because I want to make sure that I've eliminated any chance of this rubric being saved on any of these different sides. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my fake classroom. All my science classrooms are now deleted, so my rubric, all the classrooms that housed that rubric are gone. Let's see if the rubric is still there. Okay, it popped up as still there, but I haven't gotten out of this assignment. So let's see if I exit out of this assignment and I say, oh, just kidding, I want to create an assignment again. We have our fake name. That should let the rubric button work. Okay, let's see if we can find it. Reuse rubric. Okay, so now my science classes are popping up as archived. If I click on them, and the rubrics still show up. Okay, so questions answered. If you archive a classroom that you have created a rubric in, you do not lose those rubrics. To be honest, at this point, I don't know what to do to lose those rubrics. So maybe title them cleverly because it could, if you have a lot, I could see it getting messy. That might be a different video. But all right, you don't lose it. Hope this answered some questions. It answered some of mine. Bye, guys.